In the last video, we discussed Nothing CEO Carl Pei has announced that the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3 will not be released this year as initially planned, with the launch now postponed until 2025. The delay is due to the company's aim to integrate artificial intelligence into the phone, aiming to create a post-app world experience. In a video message, Pei explained the decision, stating that Nothing is taking a careful approach to incorporating AI features. Unlike competitors who quickly add AI to their products, here the CEO took a jibe at Apple, which recently partnered with OpenAI for iPhone AI features instead of developing their own. Nothing aims for a seamless integration at the system level, promising a personalized and dynamic user experience. Pei hinted at a significant shift from the traditional app-centric smartphone experience, suggesting a more integrated and intuitive interface for the upcoming devices. Industry observers speculate that the strategic shift may be influenced by the underwhelming sales of the Nothing Phone 2 compared to the more affordable Nothing Phone 2A. By delaying the Phone 3 and focusing on innovative AI integration, Nothing hopes to deliver a groundbreaking product and reignite consumer interest. Pei highlighted the importance of AI in the future of smartphones. The company has been designing and prototyping AI interactions for the past 2 months. In a short demo, Nothing showcased an AI that will work across the device, starting with user onboarding to personalize the AI based on user needs. A new home screen interface with dynamic widgets curated by the assistant was also shown. Pei explained that the current smartphone experience is limited by the lack of data sharing between apps, suggesting that the future lies in a post-app world. The demo featured an AI companion occupying the bottom half of the screen, with widgets on the top half. Nothing is exploring ways to add proactive capabilities to the AI, accessible through various device interfaces. Speculation suggests that Nothing might be developing an on-device AI chatbot powered by an in-house small language model, offering capabilities like real-time verbal responses, customizable home screens, and integration with third-party apps. Nothing's decision to delay the Phone 3 and focus on AI integration is a bold move. If successful, it could position the company as a leader in next-generation smartphone technology. However, the true potential of this ambitious vision will only be known once Nothing makes an official announcement. Users are increasingly frustrated with the annual release of phones that offer minimal upgrades or design changes. Nothing's decision to skip this year's launch has been welcomed by many fans who are eager for substantial improvements and innovative features. By postponing the release of the Nothing Phone 3 to 2025 and focusing on integrating advanced AI capabilities, the company aims to meet these expectations and deliver a truly groundbreaking device. So what are your thoughts about Nothing Phone 3? Are you happy with the decision? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.